Oh yeah, baby. This looks insane. Oh man, I'm hyped. Are you?
No.
You ready?
No.
I'm gonna go. Actually, no, you go first.
No, you go first.
No, you go first.
No.
No, you go first.
No, I'm not gonna hit the jump.
Okay, fine. Woohoo! Wait. Right. This is steep, man.
Yeah. Map it out first.
I'll try to at least. Oh, shit. Woo! Ryan? Oh, he's over there. Oh shit. Oh. Oh fuck. I fucked up. Woo! 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 That was a big mistake. Taking a good left. 1, 2, 3. This is some hard fucking ice. Oh. It's a squirrel! Ah! I saw a squirrel! Huh?
Scared me, you disappeared.
I know, I slid into a tree.
No way.
I got stuck in branches. I had to break the branch.
Oh my god.
I saw a squirrel running across.
Oh shit.
It was so cute.
You on the video?
Yeah. All right, let's go. Sorry.
No, you're good. I'm just glad you didn't die.
Yeah. Oh my god! Fuck! I was not expecting that. Woo! A little bit of power. Cold. Oh yeah! Woo! Oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh! Oh! I 100% got a concussion from that. Why did I do that? Oh shit. Oh fuck. Nathan 10. Oh my god. Fuck. Oh fuck. Holy shit. Oh, I hope I didn't break anything. Please no. Please fuck no. We're good. Thank God for this helmet. Holy shit. Why did I go through there? I'm retarded. Well, it's bound to happen one day. Oh, I got a concussion. Oh, which means I may not be able to ski next week. Oh, fuck me. That was so dumb. That was so fucking dumb. I fuck. Oh, fuck me. Oh my god. Fuck, man. Oh, my fucking leg. I'm so fucking stupid. Why not just stay on track? Jesus, I fell into that. I should have slowed down. I may or may not have gotten a concussion.
Really?
That crash was fucking insane.
Where'd you go?
If I had a...
You feel like fucking disappeared.
If I didn't have a helmet, I think I would have died. Really? I fucking went head first into the base of a tree.
No fucking way.
And I was laying there and I like went up and my left eye was like, ooh. but my right was like, I was like, oh shit. But my name's Nathan 10. We're at Dodge Ridge. You're Ryan Lee. Lita Santos. Oh, my head hurts. Huh?
You know approximately what time it is?
Like 12:45, 12:30.
Oh,
That was insane, bro.
where did you go? You're right behind me.
I like went off and it was like a drop and then I just lost control.
If I feel like if you're in back,
Huh?
if you're in back, don't go too far off trail.
Okay. Yeah, keep on doing that.
Because if I'm behind you, then I can see where you go.
Yeah.
But if
I'm not bleeding from my nose, am I?
not that I can see.
Okay. I hope I can still ski next week.